Hello dear students, through this tutorial I am going to tell you how we can add animations to different objects on a slide in PowerPoint. Also I am going to tell you the difference between slide transitions and animations. Now let us first understand what is the difference between slide transition and animations. Slide transition means the way slide changes during slideshow. As you can see in the slideshow right now, there is no slide transition. Slides are coming one after the other. But when you add slide transitions, then they will come with some animation effect. So to add slide transitions to your slide, you will go to animations. From this transition to this slide group, select the transition that you want for your slide. If you want the same transition effect to be applied on all the slides, click Apply to All button. You can also control the transition speed, can set it to slow, medium or fast, and you can also add a sound to your transition if you want. In case you are not interested in having the same transition effect on all the slides, you can have different transition for each of the slides in the presentation. Simply select the slide, choose a transition style like this. Now the slides will change on mouse click by default. If you want your slides to come automatically after a certain number of seconds, you can fix that time here and click Apply to All. So this is all about transitions. Let us now understand what is animation. Now you can see that on your slide you have a text box, you have one more text box having bullet points, and you have 3 pictures. So these are different objects that you have added on your slide. If you want to put animation, if you want to animate these objects, then the steps are as follows. Step number 1 is select the text or of the object that you want to animate. Go to Animations tab. Now you have 2 options. Either you can use preset animation schemes, which are some predefined animation styles on which you do not have any control or flexibility. The other way is you can go to custom animation, go to add effect, go to entrance, click more effects for finding out more effects, choose the effect that you want to apply and then click OK. Now, in case of custom animation, you have complete control over when the animation will start and in which direction it is going to come and what will be the speed of animation. The start setting of animation decides whether the animation will start on clicking or whether the animation will start with previous animation effect or whether the animation will start after previous animation. So you can choose the setting accordingly and click. Similarly, you can animate your text. Go to entrance. Entrance determines the animation style for the way your objects are going to come on the slide. If you want to emphasize, then you can go to emphasis and find out effects. And similarly, there are effects for exiting, for going out of the slide. So for entrance, again there are so many effects. For example, this is peek-in effect that I have just applied. In this effect, you can change the on-click setting, on-start setting. You can also change the direction, whether the peek-in is going to be happening from bottom or from left, from right or from top. So let's make it from left. And then you can also decide what should be the speed of animation, whether you want it to be very fast, you want it to be medium, slow or very slow. Normally medium or fast speed looks better while the animations play during slideshow. Like this. Similarly, you can animate your pictures. If you want to animate all the pictures on your slide using the same animation effect in the same setting, you can select all the 3 animations using Shift key on the keyboard Click add effect, entrance, again more effects, split, and OK. So let us see how this slide will look when it will be played during slideshow. Press escape key to close your slideshow and come back to normal view. Also, one more thing I would like to share with you is that you can see your PowerPoint slides in basically 3 views. The view in which you create your slide is called normal view, and the view in which you want to reorder your slides or change the order of your slides is called slide sorter view. To change the order of slides in slide sorter view, you can drag or drop your slides like this. The third type of view is slideshow view, that you already know the way your slides will appear. Press escape key to come back to the normal view. And now in the view pane, you can see the icon. This is normal view, this is slide sorter, and this is slideshow. You can also go back to these views by going to view tab and selecting the desired option. So I think you should not have any problem in understanding the difference between slide transitions, animations, and also understanding what are the 3 different views in PowerPoint. Thank you.